Solve polynomial equations, right? This is my second video on this series of solving polynomial equations. Solve polynomial equations really means to isolate x and find the value of x which will satisfy the equation. Satisfy the equation means makes left side of the equation equal to right side of equations, right? Now you learned how we combine the constants and then solve for x. Here we have kind of fractions, and I found many times students get confused or they get afraid of fractions at times. So I took this example, very simple one, just to show you how to eliminate fractions. Now here you have 3 in the denominator. So the first step is multiply both sides by 3. If you do so, then you eliminate the denominator 3, right? Let me show you how. See, equation is x over 3 equals to 5. And what we do now, we multiply both sides by number 3. Correct? If you do so, then this 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 1 times anything is the number itself or the variable itself. And here you get 5 times 3. So once you do that, then you're left with x is equal to 5 times 3, 15, and that is the solution. It is so simple as that. Correct? We are done. Now let's check. To check it, what we should do? We will plug in or substitute the value of x in the equation and see, do we satisfy left side and right side of the equation? Correct? You remember, this is my left side of the equation, right? Equal to sign, and that is right side. So let me check by placing 15 for x. So we have on the left side 15 divided by 3. I'm putting x as 15 on the left side. So what do I get? 15 divided by 3 is 5, which is equal to right side. Do you see? Now since left side equals to right side, we have checked that the equation is true for x equals to 15. Got it? Now let's do the next one. Here it's slightly complicated, right? Slightly complicated, but very similar. So let's look at it again. So let's copy the equation first. It is 2x over 5 equals to 8. Now we can do the same step as we did here. Multiply both sides by 5. So we'll do it in 2 steps this time. So first we'll get rid of fractions, the denominator 5. How? We'll multiply both sides by 5. If we do so, then 5 divided by 5 is 1, and you are left with 1 times 2x, which is 2x, right? So we get 2x equals to 8 times 5, which is 40. Is it okay? So that is what you get after multiplying both sides by 5. You remember, if we do same number, if you multiply by same number or divide by same number on both sides, equation remains same, right? They are equivalent equations, right? Now, to isolate for x, from 2x equals to 40, what should be done? We should divide both sides by 2. You got it. So we'll divide both sides by 2 here now. So if I do so, what do I get? I get x equals to 40 divided by 2 is 20. That's it. So we got a value of x, which is 20. Now we only need to check whether it is the right answer or not. So let's check this out, right? So check means left side equals to right side. So let's put x as 20 in the left side. So we'll solve for the left side. What do we get? 2 times 20 divided by 5. 2 times 20 is 40 divided by 5, which is 8, which is equals to right side, and both are true. Correct? And therefore, by doing so, we have checked that this is right, and that is the correct solution of our polynomial equation. Correct? I hope you now understand how to solve when the equations have fractions. So eliminate fraction is our policy, right? So let me write it down for you. The policy here is eliminate fractions or denominator, right? How will you do it? By multiplying, right, by common denominator, right? Now these ones were very simple examples. We just had one denominator, right? So we multiplied by that. Now soon you will see more than one denominator will be there. Then we'll figure out the common denominator and multiply by that. But the strategy is eliminate fractions, right? Okay, let's move on. Thank you.